Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. The socket that was in the base of the Christmas tree was plastic, and the plastic just dried out and cracked, crumbled up into dust. Now this is also a plastic socket, but it's a much better plastic socket. We used this little candle in the window for the last 30 years to show that we were welcoming Christ into our house. We stopped using it about 5 years ago because this part of the plastic started coming apart. But the socket is still in good shape. So I'm going to use this to repair the Christmas tree. To do that, I've got to cut the cord and take the cord out of this so that I can pull the socket out. There we go. Now pull this little tube out of here. And the light bulb sits in this little stand. So I'm going to glue this into the little stand so it'll stay there. I'll be able to set it in just like that, and that should hold pretty well. I'll put some epoxy on there. That'll keep it. In the meantime, I'm going to put this over the wire. This little white wire is the one that came with the Christmas tree. The wire seems to be in pretty good shape. They call this zip cord because you can do this. This over the top of this like it's going to go. Now I want to cut one wire shorter than the other so I have a staggered joint. I'm going to take a risk here because I don't want to break that little thing, and I want to be able to use the strippers to strip the wire off. Now what was I going to do next? Oh yeah, I was going to put these, no. What I was going to do is put this over that. Just like so. Now this circuit only has a 15-watt bulb on it, so we're going to see how that works. This circuit only has a 15-watt bulb on it. This little wire does look kind of small, but it's more than enough to handle that kind of current. I want to make sure that I can slip this over these two fittings. Goes over one plenty. Goes over one plenty easy, but the second one, it's not going to go. So I'm going to slip this piece off of here. Yep, that's going to work. That's got it. A bit awkward using these big pliers on this little job, but this is the set of crimpers that I have today. There. Now I'll just slide this on up over. And shrink it down and hope that it shrinks down enough. Now we'll take some of this multi-surface adhesive and glue that base on the little socket. Just like so. Now we leave this set. Allow 24 hours of cure time. So it just sits here, and tomorrow night we can pull this and put it into the fixture, and we should have a little Christmas tree working. Well, that's it for tonight, at least until the next thing breaks. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.